So today we'll be doing your kindergarten assessment. This is going to be testing to see what you've learned so far. Daddy can't help you with any of the answers, but you don't have to get everything right. Just do your very best, okay? Are you ready?
Yeah.
We're just going to do math today.
Okay.
So stop here. So just the green circles, okay?
Okay.
Stop at the blue circle.
That's the green circle.
All right, and we start here. I will read the questions for you, but that is the most I can do, okay?
Okay.
Circle the number that matches the number of objects. So for each one of these squares, you're going to circle the number at the bottom that matches the quantity or number of objects in the picture. So, for example, how many balls are there?
There's 4 balls.
Good job.
1, 2, wait, do I see this? Do I see the...
Melody, just, it's fine, go for it. Do what you need to do, sweetie.
Do I see there's 6 and 2 more to that, 8. And then this is just 1. So it's a nail. 1 nail. Yeah.
Okay, this next question says, fill in the missing numbers.
Fill in the missing numbers. 2. Let's see. And then, this is 36. No, this one I think is 8. There, and then 10. There.
Okay, and this says, connect the dots to make a picture. Starting with the 1, connect the dots.
Yeah.
Okay. This says count the objects and write the number. So count the objects here and write the number in the box. Count the objects here and write the number in the box.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's a lot.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Very good. Let's move to the next page now. This says circle the picture that shows half.
Circle the picture that shows half.
Which one of these two pictures shows half of the pizza?
Half of the pizza. Maybe I should like circle the whole.
Yeah. Whichever one you think is correct.
I think this one is right.
What parts go together to make a whole? So here is the front of the animals, and here are the backs of the animals. Draw a line between the front of the animal and the back of the animal that matches the front.
Hey, it's like matching the same thing. So this one goes to this one, and goes to this one, and goes to this one, and this one is just the
Good
same.
job. All right. Circle all the stars. How many stars are there? So circle every star, and then in the circle, write the number of stars.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there's 7. Okay.
Circle the things that go together.
Circle the thing that goes together.
There are objects in this picture, and some of the objects go together, and some of the objects do not. So which objects match the theme?
Match the theme. Let's see. This is green and red. And this is green and red too. And this is green and red too. Very, very same.
Okay.
And tree.
Which Which of these two circles is smaller? Circle the circle that is smaller. Circle the circle.
Circle the circle that is smaller.
Which tree has more apples? Circle the tree that has more apples.
This.
Circle the objects that are the same on both sides.
So let's see. How do I do that? That's hard. On both sides? I like what to do this and then this.
No, just circle the whole object if it's the same on both sides. So this line down the middle divides the object. If the object is same on both sides of the line, then you circle it. If it is not, then you do not circle it.
So let's see. Okay, that is very weird.
Do your best. That's all you need to do.
So let's see. The line is a little too close to here to make a little bit of this and a walk of it. And this is like in the middle and this is in the middle too. So I think it's the butterfly and the ladybug.
Don't look at me. I cannot give you the answers. I'm sorry, sweetie.
This one and this.
Okay. Put the shapes in order from smallest to largest. So each shape has a number on it. Write the number of the smallest object here and the largest object here with the 2 in between here.
Wait, with the 2 in between here?
Yes, so for example, each object has a number inside of it. This square gets the number of the smallest, the next smallest, the next biggest, and the biggest.
Okay, can I see? Number 2. Okay. Number 4. Number 3. And number 1.
Good. Sorry. If you have 3 oranges, circle how many more oranges you need to make 8. So you already have 3, circle how many you need in addition to the 3 you already have to make 8.
So I have 3 and then make 8.
Right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I circle them all in the one circle.
Yes. Remember, you already have 3 oranges. You're only circling the ones that you need to make 8. Okay.
This is 8 oranges here.
If you have 3 crackers and eat 2 crackers, how many crackers do you have left? You have 3, then you eat 2. How many are left?
So let's see. You have 3, 8, 2, and then you have. Do I make the number?
Yes, the number that you have left.
1.
If you have 10 flowers and put 7 flowers in the vase, how many flowers do you have left?
How many?
I am confused by that question
Yeah.
because putting them in the vase doesn't make them go away. Answer that the best way you can. Let's assume that the flowers in the vase are removed.
Okay, so let's see. 10 and then you put 7 in the base. So let's see. 10 and then take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 3. Then,
Okay. Draw a line from each object to where you would find them. This word says inside. This word says outside. Draw a line from each object to whether you would find it outside or inside a house.
so let's see. You would find this outside, and this outside, and this inside, and this inside.
Okay. Count how many of each object you can find and write the number in the circle below that object. So for each one of these objects, count them in this grid here and put the number of that object in the circle below it. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7. And then now book. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's see. My finger. So 4. And then 3. There. And now 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Circle, circle, and then hat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. There.
Look at the orange balls, green balls, and yellow balls. Circle the group that has the most balls. Draw a box around the group with the least. So make a square around the group of balls that has the least, and a circle around the group of balls that has the most.
So let's see. So let's see. This had the most of them.
What do you do with the most?
Circle. This isn't a circle. Wait, what was the last again?
Draw a square around the one with the least.
This one. I can go up the grass.
Good job. Look at the chart of fruit. Ask your family their favorite kind of fruit and color in one box for each person.
Why, your favorite
Oh,
fruit?
wow. This is going to be hard because it's just me and you. So,
My favorite is apple.
okay, so color in, you know what? Of those fruit that are on the page, I'm going to say my favorite is also apples. So, color in the box, one box for each person. So how many people said apples? And I believe your mom's favorite fruit is either banana or orange. So we can go with either one of those.
I'll go with orange.
Okay. Very good.
I said apple.
And that's it. That's all we have for today.